Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to change your CV axle on that journey. This is a 2015. So if your journey look like this, no matter what year you have, it's gonna be the same procedure for the car, whether 2018, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, it's gonna be the same procedure, alright? So first thing first, we need to take off the tire, and it's gonna be 15 millimeter. Not 15, 19 millimeter. I'm sorry, 19. Alright guys, so 19 millimeter. It's not showing, but it's 19 millimeter, okay? Alright, so my next step is to take off this from this tire at end. It's gonna be 18 millimeter. You don't have to take off the tire at end. You can turn the steering, but because when I take off the tire at end, it give me more play and more give me more space to work. Alright, so I'm gonna take that off. And also I'm going to take off the ball joint also, alright? It's going to be 18 millimeter also. So 18 millimeter tire at it. And also ball joint. So I managed to get the ball joint nut off. You can spray some WD-40 on it. Now would be a good time to do that. But the whole thing starts spinning for the CV, for the tire at end. So I put this bar on it, and what I'm gonna do is press down on the bar like this. Press down on the bar to help hold the tire at end so it don't spin. Alright, so let's get to that. Got that off. As you can see, because it's spin, I can lift it out. It's still not coming out, so you're gonna get a hammer. Get your hammer, knock right here. And let that jump. Do the same thing for right here. Alright. And but before you knock this, you wanna get this. Get a nut, put the nut on it. So if you miss, you hit the nut and you don't damage the threading, okay, and the ball joint. So before you knock, put the nut there and knock right here, okay? So this is the reason why I take off the I take this off. Alright, so that's the reason why, so I can just turn it like this and get a lot of space to work. Okay, so turn it like that, come around here, go and knock right here. Alright, I want to knock it real hard. Okay, so it will jump. So when you can move it free like that, take this back off. Okay. You want to get this, put it under here, on the body of the car, so you can put it on the body of the car right there where it's solid right there. Run it through here like that. You can push down like this. You see that? Get it out easy like that. Okay. Now it's time to take off this CV joint nut. Spray some WD-40 on yours if you need it. If not, go ahead, take it out. Alright, so for the CV joint, it's gonna be a 1.25 inches. It's not shown in this, but it's an 1.25 inches. Get it off like that. And get the hammer. Get a soft part. Get that to move like that, okay? So guys, let's pull this out like this. Save this part. And we'll get it out the way like that, alright? A lot of room there to work. Okay, so as you see, a lot of place here to work. So now it's time to raise the vehicle up and take off the CV joint. Alright guys, so right here, if you see, I'm gonna take it off from right here because I gotta use one, and that's how I got it from the junkyard. If you're gonna take it out the whole thing, you're gonna have to take off the 13mm right there. I don't know if you can see 13mm right there. Okay, and so I'm gonna knock it from right here to get it out that way. Okay. Guys, you see that right there? It's already coming up. Right there, it's already coming out. Okay, so I just need to knock it some more. Hold that right there and it will come right out. Alright, so guys, I got the new one right here. I got the new one right here. So some oil came out the old one. I don't know, but when I smell it, it smells like gear oil. So I'm just gonna put some gear oil in this. I'm not gonna put a lot, just a little bit, just to I guess it's to keep the spline lubricate, because there's even a washer right here. There's a washer on the top and the end of this as you can see right here. That's the washer right there, or o-ring I should say, to keep the oil from coming out. So that oil you seen on the spline is gear oil to keep the spline lubricate. So I'm gonna put some more gear oil right there, and that's it. And the reason why I know it's gear oil because I smell it. I don't know what weight, but I don't think that's really important. It's just to keep it lubed. Okay. Alright, so I got the gear oil right here. Just a little bit in there. Just a little bit in there. You want to like work it around in there. So okay. Now we install it. And it get installed like that, alright? You just want to go like this, and it will go all the way in. As you see, go all the way in, and it seal up properly. Like that away. You can see it's sealed properly, so the oil is inside. That's good. Now it's time to lower the vehicle, put this back in, and I'm gonna do the next side too. And guys, if you're still here, there's no reason not to subscribe and like the video. Help spread the message, share it out. Okay, and I'm gonna also put a link in the description for the parts. So the new one come with this. Take this off. Remember this. Go ahead and install it. It's just a flat piece. You can go. Just try to take it off the way you put it on. So this side was on here. But it can go anyway, but just try to put it back the way you take it off. Put it in. You want to turn it so you can find the grooves. And you find the grooves, you bring it around, and it will go in like that. That's it, guys. You see how simple that is. And the next step is to put this on. You want to get your pry bar. For me, I have a piece of iron that worked really good, so this is it. Same way you take it off, same way you put it on. See how easy. I got those on, so I'm gonna put on about my 18mm right here, and I'm also gonna tighten this up right here also. Alright, so get my 18mm for here. And it's good to get alignment after you pull your suspension, so you can go ahead and get an alignment after this. So I'm going to tighten up these. So you want to put these on and tighten them up, okay? And tighten this up also. So everything is nice and tight, guys. So after this you want to double check your work. So this is tight and this is tight also. This is tight also. So that's it. Time to put on your tires. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. So guys, this is what I use. I use a ratchet kind. I use a air gun, 18 millimeter, 19 millimeter to take off the tire. This to take off the axle nut, an inch and a quarter socket. There you go, an inch and a quarter socket. I have a hammer I use, and this piece of iron to pry. Okay. So I know a lot of you guys probably don't have access to this right here. What you will need to use is a breaker bar for the heavy nut that don't want to loose, and this. All right.